How to adjust the backlight on your Vtiisamao night vision goggles binoculars. This, I'll put a link so you can know which exactly pair this is, but it works a lot the same for a lot of them. So this light here, that is the display here, we can actually change how bright it is in case you need to make it dimmer or brighter. It's quite easy. First, they need to be turned on. If they're not turned on, you're just going to long press the power button. But once you get that power button on, we're just going to come in, we're going to find the menu. We're just going to hit the menu button really quickly. Boom. That should open this menu here, and then we can use these arrows to toggle up and down. So we're going to toggle down to the backlight option there. So I'm going to use this down arrow, down, 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 and then once I get on backlight, then I'm going to hit this OK button. And then from here, I can then just select how bright I want it. So if I want it dimmer, I can go down to 1, and you can see it just dimmed. And now if I say up, I want to go, I actually liked it brighter, I can toggle my way back to bright. That's all there is to it.